you information about a topic and more about that information which provided you every possible information. And if you wanna go inside deeply, if you wanna know about more our thing, that it also can tell you about. And not only ChatGPT, there are many there are many types of AI which is in your mobile, like first you already know ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Meta AI, and etc.
So today we are here to know about the AI. So our today's generation is sitting here. So what would you like to say to them that how AI can help to us to enhance knowledge and boost our confidence and learn something different to AI, because we are a skilled person and we are talented also. So what can AI do and AI can do for us so that we can also become whatever we want to become in our life? How
First,
to use it?
First of all, AI is very important in everyone's life, because if you wanna know about everything about your future, you just ask if you are a beginner and you start from from step by step, then you can ask about your future. What can you do for better performance and for other things? Then if you ask AI, then it will give you step by step information about that, and it will also helps you in knowing what is better for you and what is not. And it also helps you in that what can you do that it cures about you. And also it suggests you the better thing that which that is very helpful for your future and now present generation.
So today we have our best what we can master. He knows about AI, so he wants to ask question you. So please, I want to ask to Ishan that Ishan will ask to him that the advantage, disadvantage, many things, because we want to know about AI and learn, because we have our mentor of Ultimate. He knows about the accent and modulation, and he has knowledge something different too about it. So Ishan, what would you like to ask to him? Camera.